Welcome back, everybody. I'm going to speak while I boot up C64 OS. So I got something kind of cool to show. Basically, what we have here is a global system configurable keyboard shortcut to trigger screenshots, screen captures. So this is live. I'm going to say open the calculator. We can move that, I don't know, maybe there. So then what we do is we have, now this is configurable in the config file. It gets loaded in by the booter. So I'll hit Commodore Shift P and we just grabbed a screen capture. So now I'll quit out of here. So it saved the file as screen.pet. And I have a basic program here called screen grab view. So I will run screen grab view. Now, the screen capture files have a header that will identify them. So if I try and load in, say, boot screen.p, that file is, it is a PETSCII file, but it's a special format, and it is not an actual screenshot. So it reads the header, knows that it's no screenshot, and gives that message. So this time we'll load in screen.pet, which is a screenshot, which we just captured. So that spits out the metadata from the header. So the author is C64 OS kernel, because that's what generated the image. Source is a screen capture. And here we go. So the time is the time that I just captured. It's a bit slow loading it in with BASIC, because BASIC is slow. Now, the only downside to these screen captures is that C64 OS itself uses a custom character set. So characters like this and this and this, they don't look right in the screen capture. I'm not exactly sure how to deal with that, but I'm sure I can come up with something. And so there it is. Reconstructing the calculator, filling in the color data. And lastly, it set the border color and the background color. So there we go, pretty cool. And when I press any key, boom, back to basic. Thanks for watching.